Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Before we get this video started, if you're not subscribed to the channel, hit that, smash that thumbs up button, smash it, hit it, whatever you want to do. Subscribe to the channel, hit that thumbs up button, or try to smash it as well. Just don't break your screen. I'm going to show you here on the 5.4 Triton how to remove this air filter without breaking the tabs. A lot of people take, because it's heat from this engine, they don't have your proper cooling, where they've done aftermarket crap, and so this engine gets really hot and they don't release these tabs correctly. So right here on the bottom, they're really cheap forward plastic tabs. They're not your metal just like this. You gotta very easily lift up and rotate the clip up just like that. Yeah, these are plastic. I don't know why Ford went to that on these, but they did, probably to save money. And there's two of them. Like I said, you got to do the one right here on, well, if you're facing the vehicle, it's your left. You lift it up, like I said, they break really easy. The customers bring it to me all the time. They got holes drilled right here in the top, right here on the side, with a zip tie holding this together, because they break these tabs. And then you rotate it down and off, so you don't break them. Once you get them off, I don't know what they got going on here with this wire, but we'll try to tuck it up out the way. And this air filter, that's what this handle's for right here, slides right up out, as you can see there. Slide the air filter up out of there. Make sure there's no debris up inside here. Then put a new filter in it and repeat the process. Yeah, this filter's pretty dirty. Got a bunch of debris clogged up in it. Man, goodness, I wish y'all could see this as good as I can. You know, those camera screens are really finicky on trying to. Good night. This thing is all clogged up. Must have been driven hard and put away wet. So you're simply going to take and get your new filter, and it sets down in this tray right here on the corner of these tabs. Put it in there. Once you get the new filter tucked down inside the tray all the way, you're going to slide it back in. And then lock the tabs. Make sure the box is pressed in all the way. Otherwise, you got to pull on these tabs, and like I said, these plastic tabs, they will break if this box is not flush against the box right there with the gasket that Ford has. So you press the tab. Once you do that, guys, you're good to go. Hopefully y'all enjoyed the video. Have a great day.